Whether you're growing Christmas trees on your lawn or for production purposes, you need to be careful when you're mowing around your trees that you don't damage the lower branches. If you damage the lower branches of the tree, it will not recover. At Highland Hill Farm, we use specialized mowers to mow around our trees. In this video, you will see our mowers that we use to mow Christmas tree rows. These are tree guards that we put on our tractors at Highland Hill Farm for mowing. The reason we have this on the tractor is our rows are very close and trees can get damaged by the tires pulling the branches down and then breaking them off. We want to try and maintain the branching of the lower branches on trees, and this helps us do it and helps us mow the rows up and down without breakage of trees and branches. And now we're going to show you how we do this. We grow and sell a lot of Christmas trees at Highland Hill Farm, as well as other trees like arborvitae, pines, spruces, and hardwood trees. So if you need trees, you can call us. We also have seedlings, transplants, both balled and burlapped and potted stock available as well. Call us at 215-651-8329 for your tree needs. This is Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA. We grow lots of trees and shrubs, and we deliver, and we're wholesale to the public.